What is going on, Tron community? Last week, Tether Operations Limited, which is the company behind Tether, the largest stablecoin in the cryptocurrency space right now, they announced they are launching a new fiat stablecoin, which is going to be pegged to the Mexican peso. Now, this is going to be supported on 3 different chains, starting with Ethereum, Polygon, and no other than Tron. And if you remember, USDT Tether has the most dominance on the Tron blockchain. And so we're going to be diving into the details of that in today's video. Now, before we jump into it, shout out to the partner and the sponsor of today's video, which is 𝗖𝗢𝗏𝗍𝒑. Now, 𝗖𝗢𝗏𝗍𝒑 is a company who offers crypto IRAs where we can buy and sell crypto as well as precious metals such as gold and silver. Now, 𝗖𝗢𝗏𝗍𝒑 can be used 24/7, 365, so we're never limited on what we can invest. There is no monthly setup fee either, and one thing that's very important is the institutional grade custody, as in Coinbase, as well as Fireblocks. Now, I wonder, because now Fireblocks support Tron, I wonder will we see Tron being supported on 𝗖𝗢𝗏𝗍𝒑 in the future. Now, if you want to check out 𝗖𝗢𝗏𝗍𝒑, there'll be a link in the description below, and you'll be on your way to earning $100 for funding when setting up your account. But now let's go ahead and dive into the details of the Tron news in today's video right after this. All right, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike the Investor, and as we look at the press release coming from Tether, we can see Tether launches MXNT Tether tokens pegged to the Mexican peso, and this came out May 26, 2022. Now, we can see Tether Operations Limited, which is the company who is behind the Tether tokens, has today launched Tether tokens MXNT pegged to the Mexican peso, and the initial blockchain support will include Ethereum, Tron, and Polygon. Now, MXNT will join 3 other fiat currency pegged tokens Tether has in the market. Of course, we have the US dollar pegged USDT Tether, then we have the Euro EURT, and then we have the offshore Chinese yuan CNHT. Now, according to AAA, we can see 40% of Mexican companies are looking to adopt blockchain and cryptocurrencies in some form, making Mexico a prime location for the next Latin America crypto hub. Now, the multi-billion-dollar flow of remittances into Mexico and the difficulties involved with money transfers have created a unique opportunity for stablecoin usage and adoption. Now, the creation of MXNT puts Mexican peso on the blockchains and provides a faster, less costly option for asset transfers. Now, the last couple parts here, first and foremost, in a nutshell, MXNT is a stable digital asset that is pegged 1-to-1 to the Mexican peso, and MXNT was built by the trusted team of developers behind Tether USDT, also known as Tether Operations Limited. Now, the last part here talks about the addition of the MXNT is a milestone for the company as it marks Tether's interest into Latin America. Now, with a dedicated digital currency, the launch of MXNT will provide a testing ground for onboarding new users in Latin America market and will pave the way for future fiat pegged currencies in the region to be launched. Now, let's briefly touch on something I shared earlier in the video. Total value lock for all chains. If we briefly just go to the overview, we can see 112.31 billion. Now, if we go back to chains here, of course we know, and I did a video on it, that Tron right now is the 3rd largest blockchain far as TVL. And there's been talks that Tron could overthrow Binance Smart Chain. We can see Binance Smart Chain currently has 8.87 billion. Tron is currently at 5.99 billion. So if we go over to stablecoins here, so we can see that the total stablecoin market cap is around 159 billion, and the cryptocurrency market right now is around 1.3 trillion. So we can see that the stablecoin definitely has quite a bit of dominance in the cryptocurrency market, which is the foundation of payments and crypto. Now, as you look here, you can see Tether, of course, is the largest stablecoin in the cryptocurrency space, and then you have USDC, which is no surprise. So you can see 72.54 billion, and you can see the #1 blockchain is Tron. So let's go ahead and check this out. So you can see USDT total circulating on all chains. You can see Tron 34.68 billion, and then you have Ethereum at 30.09 billion. So right here is over 64% of the dominance between two chains with Tron and Ethereum. So here you have Tron 34.68, and you have Ethereum at 30.09 billion. There's no other chain that even comes close to Tron or Ethereum when it comes to Tether. So I just briefly want to share those details and stats with you to let you know that I do think this is, also, positive news for Tron. Not saying we're going to see a jump because of this, but I do think this is going to allow people now to start using more of the Tron blockchain because of they may want to, transfer that Mexican Peso Stablecoin MXNT into USDT Tether. And so we can see that Tron already has the most dominance when it comes to the USDT stablecoin. So let me know what you think down in the comment section. If you're part of the Tron community, part of the BitTorrent community, put TRX, put BTT, or put both down in the comment section. Let's run it up, and I will see you on the next one.